desert conditions return. The first night after the rains, the air is filled with their sounds. Males calling out to females in the fragrant, rain-washed darkness. It's the male's one chance to secure a mate and fertilize her eggs. But for their offspring, the race has just begun. The next morning, the desert is bathed in the unaccustomed luxury of moisture. The regal horned lizard is freed from the inconvenience of extracting water from ants. Instead, tiny channels between his scales deliver the water to his mouth by capillary action. If there is ever a time when the desert is at ease, it is now. Within days, the Sonoran Desert is transformed by an alchemy of warmth and water. The roots of the giant saguaro now draw in hundreds of gallons a day, reserves that will sustain it through the next year.